Hey, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you some online websites that will pay you. That's right. These are websites that will pay you. And the good thing about this, it's going to be some legitimate way to make money online. So welcome, as you can see, December 26th at the time I'm shooting this video. And some of you are probably watching this in 2022 and beyond. So if you scroll down, you see the type of payments that you can receive. Now, on this particular website, you're not going to get uber rich, but you can make some money and you can use that money to do some other things as well. So I'm going to share with you a bunch of different websites that you can start earning right away. So this is your first time to my YouTube channel. Welcome. My name is Andre. I create videos like this. So if you love videos, you better stick around and make sure you watch this all the way to the end because you don't want to miss out. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation of how I make money online, check out the first link in the description. Just make sure that you go click on it, go watch the videos. I have multiple different things that you can go watch. So go see that right now. So let's jump into it right now. And I'm going to show you that there are some income proofs I'm going to show. Of course, everybody results is different and don't be typical. So as of today, I made 76 bucks and 88 cents. As you can see, there's like 3 sales that came in for this week, right? I didn't make any money yesterday, typical, because not every day you're going to be making money. That's why you want to have multiple different websites, online websites that is willing to pay you, and you want to make sure that they're legit. So this particular website that I'm on, it is called Warrior Plus. And Warrior Plus is such an amazing website that they have tons of affiliate different offers and different products that you can find and you can promote. The only thing that you feel is going to be a good fit for the audience that you're trying to give. Now, most times people say, all right, well, I got these affiliate links, Andre. Now, what do I do with it? Now, there's a couple of things that you could do. You can also create content on YouTube. So let's say you want to create a cat or a motorcycle accident YouTube, or you want to create a top 10 YouTube or top 10 this, top 10 that. Once you do that, and I think what you could do is you can create YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts get a lot of views. And then once you get a lot of views, people are going to be clicking on your links and they will buy whatever products or services that you have to offer. So come on over here, click on it. If you click on where it says dashboard, because I'm already signed in, you'll see a ton of different products here where it says top products. You'll see the product of the week. So you can look at a product of today, product for yesterday, product for last 7 days, product for last 30 days. And you can go through here and see exactly what's working and what's not working. So all you have to do is just sift through the most important ones, and then you could go out there and you could just start promote whatever products and services. So there's some income proof right there, because I like to show that so people can know that I'm not just making videos for likes or just views. All right. Now, once you do that as well, another great website that you can promote is ClickFunnels. As you can see, I got paid over $232. And what you could do, you can promote the One Funnel Away Challenge. Each time you promote the One Funnel Away Challenge and you click on this, you get your affiliate link. Once you grab your affiliate link, you're going to get $100 every time someone enrolls into the challenge. So if you want to go sign up for this, all you have to do is just go to Google. When you go to Google, you type in ClickFunnels, type in ClickFunnels affiliate. And once you type in ClickFunnels affiliate, you can become an affiliate and just sign up right there. Once you sign up, you'll be getting your affiliate link. And once you get your affiliate link, you could just promote, and you can promote the One Funnel Away Challenge, and you can make $100 right now just by doing that. Now, here's the website that I was sharing with you earlier. So this website is called Super Pay Me. And what Super Pay Me does, it's a survey website, and you can do a ton of different surveys. I already created my password and everything, and I already, just go on here, because sometimes you just have a lot of free time that you can just kill, and they're willing to pay you to do surveys. You can do offers, you can do promo codes, contests, all those kind of things. So this website is something that you could join today and you could get started right away just by making money. And you're going to receive 20 cents bonus when you sign up. So you get 20 cents, you take surveys, you take offers. Once you do that, all you have to do is you could earn money just by watching video. That's it. So you watch videos, make a lot of money, and then you could do surveys and do a little bit more. Plus, you could get paid in PayPal, you can get paid in Bitcoin, Shrug, and all that good stuff. Amazon, you can get Amazon, Starbucks, Nike. These are the popular retail brands that they work with, and you can exchange your points. If you scroll down here, you will see where it says you get paid free surveys. So I said, this website that I'm showing you, Super Pay Me, it's not going to get you super rich. You're not going to make a ton of money just from Super Pay Me, but it's a good place to get you started. Here's another website that I wanted to share with you. It's called Picoworkers, another great website that doesn't require you to sign up or anything. Well, it does require you to sign up. But these websites that I'm sharing with you, you don't need no money for you to sign up for this. So you could just read the terms and conditions. They also they do payments in crypto as well. They pay out in crypto. And if you don't know what crypto is, you're basically living under a rock. So that's where everybody's going to, the crypto side of the business. So you just sign up, just click on where it says sign up, just put in all your information here, make sure that your country is correct, and you want to be a worker, not an employer. And then you click on these, agree. If you want to get news, you could do that, but I never click on the news because I don't want my email to be filled up with a lot of spam, right? So you definitely don't want to do that. So let me just pull it up. Once you sign up, they're going to send you different tasks that you could do. And then all you have to do is just do these different tasks and you can start making and start earning money right away. So it doesn't take long for you to sign up. Once you sign up, you're good to go. Here's another great website that I wanted to share with you that you can advertise. You could go out there and they will pay you. Yes, they will pay you money right now. And this is Bluehost. Bluehost always paying out big money. And everybody is creating websites. There's people just creating websites these days. If you want to go onto Twitter, you can go onto Reddit. You can find people on these particular websites that do these things. And when you scroll down at the bottom, down here, you can click on where it says affiliates. So once you click on the affiliates tab, you could just quickly sign up. And each time somebody sign up with your affiliate link, if they qualify and they, with a host and purchase, then guess what? You're going to make $65 because people always want to make websites. So that's $65 right there, right out the gate that you can make without you even doing too much work, too much time, and too much effort. Here's another great website that I want to share with you, an online website that will pay you, and it's called Crowdsurfwork.com. So Crowdsurfwork.com is a website that they allow students to use their time and make some extra cash. So you could go here, you could sign up for the work market, you could join the crowd surf, and you can start crowd surfing. So this usually takes about 3 to 5 business days when your account is ready. So right now, go sign up. So the faster you sign up for all of these websites, the better it is going to be for you where you can start making money. So if you're in US and Canada, of course, you want to come here and you want to sign up there. If you're international, make sure you click on the international tab, ensure that your country is correct, and you could just go through all these little information. Now, you're not a company. You're joining as an individual. You're a person. You just need a computer. Make sure you have one. Make sure you could speak right and also read in English, accurate English spelling, because if you can't do these things, they won't be paying you the money, and of course they will disqualify you. So you can listen to audio clips for 5 to 30 seconds, and the pay range is anywhere from 3 cents to 20 cents per media. So all you have to do is just listen to audios. You listen to audios, and once you listen to audios, you can get paid. So these are some legitimate websites that I wanted to share with you how you can make money online. I didn't want to go into too much details. I just quickly want to just brief and explain to you how you're going to use these online websites to get paid right now, right? So these are legitimate. And again, you look at the link in the description. That's how you're going to be making money. And that's how you're going to be able to go crush it, because you're going to learn. That's my number one way of making money. These other websites are great ways I make money with them. But my number one way, really put more money in your pocket. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.